Okay, question. How do we know what expectations are reasonable, like chores and responsibilities? I'm assuming this is from an NT wife. Well, it would be best to come up with 3 different lists, and preferably you and your ASD husband would come up with this list in the company of an ASD expert who has some knowledge of how to deal with autism in the context of a neurodiverse marriage. But you could try to do it without a therapist or a counselor or a coach. The list would be, in this case, your ASD husband, things that he can do and is willing to do and he does well. Things that he can do but is simply not willing to do. And the things that he simply can't do. Like, for example, maybe some child care stuff that either he can't do it or he would do it very poorly. So there are some things that he does that he doesn't mind doing and he does them well. So you can expect that those are his responsibilities. With respect to the stuff that he could do but he doesn't want to, I would ask him, and I do this with the ASD guys in group, to do a cost benefits analysis. In other words, do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of doing that thing that you don't want to do but she wants you to do? If the answer is yes, then probably go ahead and do it. If it's something that he doesn't want to do but you want him to do it, and he does a little cost benefits analysis and goes, if I go ahead and do that, the disadvantages are going to outweigh the advantages, then I would say, well, then don't do it. So that's up to him, personal choice. So, but again, I would come up with those 3 lists with somebody who has some expertise in ASD so that he can kind of coach you through and get a list of things that will be written down, could be stuck on the refrigerator. Hey, dear husband, these are the things that I expect you to do. And then this way you get his buy-in, and with the buy-in, hopefully you get some consistency.